So this is something that I've been going round and round with for a while there. There's my brother's dog over there. Hi, Skipper. So this is something that some people, other guys, other people are going to probably have issues with an injector not working. This is a injector. This is half the injector of a C7 Caterpillar injector. So everything that's below this half is pretty much a no-brainer. It has alignment pins, and you basically can't put it in backwards. The only thing is you can forget some of the components. Like there's a little disc. I'll show you the little disc here. You can see this little disc in my hand. Little disc that goes down in here, and there's a little check ball. There's a little check ball here somewhere. Here it is. Yeah, right here. Little check ball that goes down at the same level as that disc. So, but anyway, this is something I did, and this is after I put the engine together and found out that 4 of the injectors didn't work. So anyway, I want to show everybody what could possibly go wrong. So what I did is I'm going to mark this hole. This hole right here. I'll tell you how important this hole is. The hole that's right here, I got this rod going through it. This welding rod going through it. It goes right on top of there. This rod runs all the way down. That channel runs all the way down, almost to the bottom of the injector. And that hole, that channel, is the channel. This is the bottom of the injector. That channel goes all the way. You see it right here. This channel right here comes all the way up, comes right to there, pushes on this. Let's get this up here. Pushes on that piston right there, which in turn pushes on the injector tip. Lets the fuel. Actually, it lets it out. Lets the fuel in. Lets the fuel out of the injector. So anyway, go back to this rod. So that channel goes all the way down to the bottom. So here's what happens, and this is what I did too, is this fits right on this right here. Okay, you can see this all. Yeah, we're gonna probably have to unline this up. Here. Oh, wrong hole. There you go. So that lines up right there. This all fits together. All 4 screws. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Or all 4 screws line up with the bottom of the body of the injector, and so that goes there. This is called a spool valve. So this all lines up and channels all the way to the bottom of the injector. That's a very important. They're all very important holes, but this was basically what does all the work. So I want to show everybody what happens. So let me pull this out again. This is jammed in here again. Let me just pull this out. Screws all screwed in by themselves. Pull that off. So let's pull this out too. There it goes. Oh boy, got that in tight. There it goes. Anyway, that comes out of there like that. And like I said, this goes on here like that, right? Watch what happens now. You can't put it in 90 degrees from each other. The holes won't line up. And it will not line up this way, but so it goes in this way, but if you turn it 180 degrees, everything lines up again. But the hole that's in here, that oil goes down to the bottom injector. See, there's no hole. The hole is right there. So the hole, it actually will hit over here, which is nothing there. So make sure, warning everybody now, make sure that these two holes line up. Otherwise, the injector tip, the tip of the injector, which ends up being this channel right right at the bottom here. Yeah, it's... Anyway, it's goes to the piston right there. And what it does, it actually pushes down on the injector, or it opens it. I don't know which way it goes. Opens it, closes it. So, and then, of course, the solenoid, which is right here, the solenoid, and this part here, which is right under the solenoid, there's a little disc that goes up and down just ever so slightly, that makes that oil go down that channel right there, right down that channel all the way to the bottom, almost to the bottom, and activates this pin injector. Will inject fuel or turn off fuel, one or the other. I'm not really sure, but it's very important. So do not put this disc backwards like that, because your injector will not work. Like I said, this is for a C7 Caterpillar, and that's what's happened to 4 of my injectors. I must have put them on backwards. It's not completely idiot proof. So anyway, yeah, that's my video for today. It's we're in April, near the end of April right now, 2023. So all right, well, everybody have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.